Hey guys, Wooden Robot here. I'm going to give you a quick, simple how to break a pallet down, or the way I break a pallet down that utilizes and saves most of the wood if possible. Couple of things you'll need aside from a pallet. A couple of clamps, and I made these. It's real simple, 2x6 screwed together. Basically what this is, I screw it or clamp it to the base of the pallet to act as a kickstand to keep the thing from falling over while I'm cutting on it with the saw-zaw. So after I get that set, I take my saw-zaw, and I don't know if you can see, but I will actually get the metal blade and cut right down in here to cut all the nail heads off. And once I get all those off, this board will pop off fairly easily. And I do that, and it ends up saving the complete board, so I can use, if this is a 42, 48 inch, looks to be about 48 inch board, I get to utilize the whole board. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I will hopefully get this broken down pretty quick. So what I've done with the brackets or kickstands, whatever you want to call them, is I've clamped them to the base of my pallet, and it just gives it a little more stability when I'm cutting on it with the saw-zaw. I just use clamps, and so I'll actually start on this side and cut all the way down through the nails, and it just makes it go a lot faster. So on my saw-zaw, I've got a basic metal cutting blade, because I'm really just cutting the metal, hopefully, and it just goes through a little easier than a wood blade or utility blade. So basically you just want to get this blade in between the boards as best you can. And it's just that quick getting one of those boards off. And the great thing is we have the whole board, and we don't even have to remove nails. So it took me about 15 minutes. I now have 8, which I'm guessing 4-foot planks, 3 maybe 3-foot planks, and then a bunch of these blocks that I'll probably just throw in my burn pile, that are made up of that really cheap particle board that I don't really have any kind of use for other than burning. So that's my quick tutorial on breaking down a pallet. I'll shoot another one if you really want me to, but it's really just breaking a pallet down. It's not anything like rocket surgery. I mean, come on now.